Another underpass. Look at this. Oh.
So there were animals here. There were cows, there were horses, things of that nature.
We are at the Linder Nature Preserve today, Cincinnati. Crow going. Look at those flowers.
Daffodils.
Interesting old estate right here. And look at that, there's an old shack. Let's go check it out.
What if that comes around? If I come around. Oh, it's a grandpa with his grandchild. Ooh, look at that mudfoot.
Beautiful. Oh, it's natural as could be. He likes
My
you.
buddy. I like you too.
Let's check out some of the trails out here.
That one leads to, there's one that goes around the corner down here. That leads to that shacky place right there.
Okay. Oh man, so cool. And look at this bridge. Little cute, quaint stone bridge.
I think that shack is cool.
Wow, it must be so old, and then appears to be some old shack right here.
I bet when there's lots of water, it looks pretty. Right now, it's old. This is really old.
Yeah, it is.
Old bathroom? Is it an old bathroom?
Ooh. Ooh.
It looks like it was an old bathroom.
Look at this. Oh, I hope I don't draw up the camera. Ooh, it's cold in here actually. You can feel the little breeze.
Yep, I bet it was an old outhouse.
You think it was a bathroom at one time?
It sure looks like it.
But look at this expansive pool right here.
It was a pool. But that all came down this way to make a pool. We're no longer here.
So there's an old stone swimming pool. They used to swim here. Wow. I'm actually over in the Deacon Field. It sloped down to the deep end over here. Very fascinating.
Lucy in the sky with diamonds.
Mom, she found a graffiti that is the lyrics to the Beatles song, Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds. Oh, that's why I love coming out with Mom. She always
Lucifer.
sees things that, oh, oh boy.
Old ones. Those are old. Old graffiti.
Oh, oh. Ooh, fascinating. So we come up on what appears to be more changing rooms from back in the day. Maybe these were the restrooms. I don't know. I didn't do much research. Oh, so oh, it's like maybe even just storage of some kind. I don't know, storage perhaps. Oh look, you got that? Hey, I'm changing in here. Right. Ready for a swim.
And that thing was a pool.
So, let me get
This might have been building.
a better view over here. Mom thinks this is the foundation for one of the buildings, perhaps?
That is it over there. I don't know what this is.
Oh, wow. There's all kinds of fascinating abandonments. There's a chimney from maybe the production seed company. Whew. Mom's having a blast. Grateful to be outside today. A lot of dogs. It's a very family-friendly park. Let's check this out.
This is it.
Huh. Ooh. Careful, Jack. The old flue. There's even metal shrapnel here.
What was that?
They're probably doing some kind of construction. Oh, that's that guy working on the car up there. Look, it's like some core.
These crazy dogs.
Seems to be where something was. Another facility. That looks like a tomb. Wow. Well, there's some tracks down here. I'm determined to actually get a view of the rails that they have at the end of this park. Let me flash one more this way. Cool. Linder Reserve, Cincinnati. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. I think the rails are down here somewhere. At least maybe we can get a view of them, and power line up there. Ah, I see the rails. Yeah, they're down here. It looks like I might have to take a little offbeat path, which I don't recommend, and the park doesn't recommend. Time to take a break. Alright, well, I started to follow these rails a little bit and see if I can make it closer to that railroad bridge. So cool out here. We'll see if I can make it there. Shouldn't take too long. Join me. Cool. It's another underpass. Look at this quaint little bridge going across. Beautiful graffiti, guys. Well, this one's all colored up. Beautiful griffs. If anybody knows what these graffitis say, feel free to comment in the description below. Look at that. Good work. Wow. Well, this place is big. My mom's way back there, way back there. Well, Griff's got his spot over here too. Fascinating. Very cool. I'm glad you guys are here today to experience this with me. Not too often I get out. I really need to get out. We was so busy at work yesterday. Breathe the fresh air. Like this. Wish there was a train. And some old signals that way. I'm not exactly clear of where I'm at. Woo, woo. Another switch. Locked. Okay, one more pan through and then we're gonna head on back, guys. More adventures to come. Places that you probably won't ever make it to yourself, so here we are. Living on the edge. Okay, boys, heading back home. Thanks for your views. Like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Here with your brother, out adventuring. Very romantic. Alright, it's time to head back. Off the tracks, off the tracks. Woo! Box got two yellows indicating. It's fascinating. Defect detectors. Alright, almost back. I wanted to check out this cool little swamp over here. Watch my step. all wet. Now I'm all wet. Here we go. Wish I could catch a train, but that's okay. We always catch you with some more content and more to come. Just been enjoying the show. Wanted to get to a cemetery today, but found out we needed permission to go to it. So make some phone calls, see if I can make better content. Hi guys, camera, I'm okay, I'm okay, I'm okay. Okay. Hi, hi, hi. Here we found a Sasquatch rock tower. There's been a Sasquatch in the Boust.
Redo a bunch of stuff. They actually kept adding stuff on. The fireplace, which goes into the piano room, it wasn't here in 1921. As a matter of fact, on the left and right, these windows weren't windows back then, they were doors.
Oh.
Yeah, they were doors, and then so they took and added those doors. They took those doors away, made it windows, added on that. So they kept doing things to it.
Well, they did a wonderful job. It's a beautiful place.
Yeah, I tell you that
you are
swimming
blessed.
pool, the swimming pool, a lot of people don't realize that was actually a functional pool. It was the first in-ground pool in Cincinnati.
Wow.
I saw the
Okay.
changing room.
Yeah. So the swimming pool, there's actually pictures of it from like the 1890s. Actually being in use, and it's really cool to see actually just that plot of land back there because there's no trees. It's actually just rolling grass hills. About, and from what I was reading, there used to be, so there were animals here. There were cows, there were horses, things of that nature. And back where the garage is, they've converted that to the bathrooms. But actually, if you go walk past, if you take the sidewalk to where the bathroom is, and you actually keep walking, you kind of walk into the grassy area over there, you'll realize there's fence posts. And then if you actually look, there's actually foundation.
Yes.
Or something. So what we actually believe used to be there, because there's actually, if you go back and you kind of walk a straight line and curve, you'll actually find a bunch of, there's actually still there's a bunch of cut pipes. There's actually two big pipes sticking out of the ground. We actually believe it was a pump house.
Wow.
Because we actually found old knob and tube wiring actually running out of the ground to an actual post that had an old post that had broken. And then I know out in the woods, the thing that looks like a chimney stack, it has a chimney stack on it.
Yes.
That used to be part of a greenhouse.
Oh, yes.
And so what they would do is during the winter, that's actually how they were able to feed each other.
Nice.
They would use the greenhouse and stuff would go in there. And so from what I was reading this document from one of them callers who ended up moving to Florida, someone would stay out there, and there was actually that chimney stack was actually keep it warm in there. So they could grow stuff in there and survive. And they would actually take and they would can and they would jar a lot of stuff to basically get through the winter. And from what I was reading,
This had to be all country at the time, though.
It was.
This was
had
all country.
Well, and the crazy thing is, at the time, I'm reading this thing from this is the oldest one of the oldest sons, so he grew up here. And I'm reading this. The things they used to grow here, you wouldn't even think you could grow in Cincinnati. Watermelons, peaches, all sorts of stuff.
Nice.
And actually, the spring house. So the spring house, it is original. That is original location. The problem is there used to be a massive tree to the right of it.
Yeah.
That tree crushed the original spring house.
Oh, wow.
It's still, for the most part, exactly. They just rebuilt it. It's a replica. But the spring used to be wider when water actually flowed there, and they would actually take and they would put watermelon and stuff in there to like cool it off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So now we know what that is.
Yep.
Hey, it's been a pleasure meeting you.
Absolutely. My name's Edward.
Edward.
Thank you, Edward.
Yeah. Thank you.
He is the most recent owner of the McCullough Historical House.
Yeah.
How many years old?
It's this version of the house is from 1921, but there has been a house here that was owned by the McCulloughs for close to 189 years.
It used to be the log cabin. Wow, fascinating.
And then, that concrete footbridge back there, that's from like 1910.
Wow.
And then the porch was originally designed for horses to go under it.
Woo.
Yeah.
Cola.
Well, I was actually the caretaker of the Linder Park McCullough house. And boy, what a history and what a adventure it's been today.
He lives there, though.
And he's allowed to live there since he's a caretaker. Yeah, working on his car. He was chock full of information and more than pleased to give it. Thank you. Till the next time, guys. Furthermore, Jack.